Good morning, students. My name is Poonam Daswani. I hope you all are good and your family is doing great. Students, today we will start with the grammar, English grammar, lesson 5. English grammar, lesson 5, forming adjectives. Students, in the previous chapters, we saw what are the adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Today, we will see how the adjectives are formed. How we form the adjectives by adding the alphabets in the end of the word. Which alphabets are added at the end of the end of the word so that the adjectives are formed, and those alphabets are called suffixes. They are called suffixes. How we add the suffixes to form the adjectives? What are the alphabets which we add are called? Those are called suffixes. We add suffixes at the end of the word to form adjectives. Before moving on to the chapter, I would like to show you a video which will make you easy to understand. We move on to the video now.
Formation of adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adjective may come before or after the noun it describes. Today, we will learn how an adjective can be formed. We can form an adjective from a noun. For example, gold, golden. Here, the adjective golden is formed from the noun gold. We can form an adjective from a verb too. For example, taste, tasty. Here, the adjective tasty is formed from the verb taste. Did you know an adjective is formed when a suffix is added at the end of the word? Let us learn more about it. Some adjectives end with suffix y or ly. For example, silk, silky. Friend, friendly. Some adjectives end with suffix able or some. For example, enjoy, enjoyable. Trouble, troublesome. Next is adjectives ending in ous, ious, or ful. For example, courage, courageous. Glory, glorious. Play, playful. Some adjectives also end in ish or al. For example, child, childish. Nature, natural. While some adjectives end with suffix less. For example, sense, senseless.
Students, in the video we saw how we form an adjective by adding suffix. That is, the last alphabets we add to the noun or verb is known as suffix. How we form adjective by adding suffix. Now we move on to the chapter. First we move on to the warm-up exercise. I would like to you all to open page lesson number 5, forming adjectives, page number 29. Warm-up exercise. In the warm-up exercise, there are two columns. There are two columns. We will read it. Read out and compare the sentences in both columns A and B. We'll read the alphabets, the words, sentences which are given, and we will compare the sentences. You behave like a child. In column A, what is the first sentence? You behave like a child. In the B column, it is, I don't like this childish behavior. Now, child is a noun. Child is a noun. I don't like this childish behavior. Now, adjective is formed in the B column by adding ish to it. Now, in the second sentence is, I love this baby. Love is a verb. It is an action. So, it is a verb. I miss that lovable baby. Now, in the end of the word love, what is added? able. So, the adjective is formed by adding able. Now, we move on to the third sentence. Disha attracts our attention. Disha attracts our attention. What is the adjective of it? Disha is an attractive girl. The adjective is formed by adding IVE. Disha attracts our attention. Disha is an attractive child. Attracts is a verb. Let us enjoy the beauty of nature. Let us enjoy the beauty of nature. Beauty is a noun. Let us enjoy the beautiful nature. Let us enjoy the beautiful nature. Discuss with your partner, is there a relationship between the words highlighted in column A and those highlighted in column B? Now the words which are highlighted like child, childish, love, lovable, attracts, attractive, beauty, beautiful. Is there the connection between both the words? Yes, because in column A the word is either a noun or a verb, and in column B it is formed adjective. It is in the form of adjective. Are the words highlighted in column B adjectives? What does each of them describe? Yes, it is the adjective. In the B column, the words that are highlighted are adjectives. And what does each of them describe? They describe the noun. What do they describe? They describe more about the noun or the verb. Now we move ahead. Let us learn about the formation of adjectives. We can form adjectives by adding some letters to a noun or a verb. Forming adjectives from nouns. Now first we will form adjectives in the words which are nouns. We will form adjectives from nouns by adding able. The words which are given are noun. We will add able. Like comfort, we add able. It becomes comfortable. Knowledge, knowledgeable. Love, lovable. Laugh, laughable. Fashion, fashionable. The words which are added like able are also known as suffixes. They are also known as suffix. The adjectives are formed from nouns. Now we move ahead. Now the nouns, we will see more nouns. Noun by adding y. Nouns by adding y. Cloud, cloudy. Dirt, dirty. Rain, rainy. Oil, oily. Wind, windy. The adjectives which we get after adding y describes more about the noun. They describe more about the noun. Now, in the third column, it is by adding ish to the noun. Child, childish. Fever, feverish. Boy, boyish. Book, bookish. Fool, foolish. Now, in the number 4, by adding ful to some nouns like beauty, beautiful, care, careful, joy, joyful, cheer, cheerful, peace, peaceful. Now, there is a note. Note that the spellings of some nouns and verbs undergo a change when we form adjectives. Like in love, we saw in the spelling love, E is removed and ABLE is added to it. LOVABLE. So the spelling is changed. LOVABLE. Lovable. Some spellings are changed when we add suffixes. Now, forming adjectives from verbs. Forming adjectives from verbs. By adding ABLE to some verbs. We add ABLE even to the noun or to the verb. Verb is an action. Read, readable. Enjoy, enjoyable. Break, breakable. Suit, suitable. Move, movable. By adding IVE to some verbs like attract, attractive, cooperate, cooperative, create, creative, collect, collective, select, selective. In the third column, by adding FUL to some verbs like care, careful, help, helpful, boast, boastful, fear, fearful, forget, forgetful. These are the words which describe more about noun and verb. The adjectives which we get describes more about the noun and verbs. Now the words which are added like able, IVE, FUL, what are all these? These are suffixes. These are known as suffixes. Now we move ahead with the exercise A. Exercise A. Fill in the blank spaces by forming correct adjectives from the nouns given in brackets. What you have to do? You have to write the correct adjectives of the words which are given in the bracket are nouns. You have to form adjectives from noun. Number 1. Our forefathers were very dash knowledge people. What will you add so that you get a correct adjective? Our forefathers were very knowledgeable people. Our forefathers were very knowledgeable people. Number 2. Please give me a dash chair. Please give me a comfort chair. What will be the correct adjective for comfort? Please give me a comfortable chair. It is rather dash, it might rain. Now which suffix will we add? Which letter we will add to the noun? What will we add? It is rather cloudy. It might rain. The river side is a dash place to relax. Now which suffix will come to the word, to the noun? Which suffix we will add? We will add ful. The riverside is a peaceful place to relax. Our team decided to bat first. This seems like a dash decision. Now what we will add to get a correct adjective? Our team decided to bat first. This seems like a foolish decision. The adjective, correct adjective is foolish. We add ish. Now number 6. You must be slow when you drive in dash weather. You must be slow when you drive in dash weather. Now what we will add to the noun so that we get correct adjective? What will we add? We will add rainy. You must be slow when you drive in rainy weather. Number 7. Ruskin Bond is a dash writer. Now what will you add so that you get the correct adjective? You will add Ruskin Bond is a famous writer. Is a famous writer. You add OUS. You remove E and you add OUS. So the spelling is changed here. We cannot sit on these dash seats. We cannot sit on these dirty seats. I liked reading your dash story. The noun given is imagine. What will be the answer? I liked reading your imaginable story. Imaginable. Now we remove E from the word and we add ABLE. I liked reading your imaginable story. Do not touch the pictures with dash fingers, oil fingers. What will be the correct adjective? Do not touch the pictures with oily fingers. Now we move on to the exercise B. Fill in the blank spaces with the correct adjectives from the verbs given in the brackets. The dash driver avoided an accident. What will be the correct adjective? The careful driver. The careful driver avoided an accident. Poets are dash people. Now what will be the correct suffix? That is, what will be the correct alphabets that we will add in create? Poets are creative people. Poets are creative people. We add IVE. We remove E and we add IVE. Number 3. This is the most dash town in the country. Again, the noun and the verb are same. This is the most peaceful town in the country. I suddenly feel dash fever. I suddenly feel feverish. I suddenly feel feverish. We add ISH. Feverish. The coach gave us some use tips for the match. What will be the correct adjective? The coach gave us some useful tips for the match. We add FUL. My shoes get dirty very soon, so I bought a pair of wash shoes. So I bought a pair of dash shoes. The verb given is wash. What will we add to get the correct adjective? We will add washable shoes. My shoes get dirty very soon, so I bought a pair of washable shoes. Now we move on to number 7. Bharat looked for his keys the whole day. He is very dash forget. What will we add to get the correct adjective? Bharat looked for his keys the whole day. He is very forgetful. He is very forgetful. Now we move on to number 8. That book is not dash for this class. What will be the answer? That book is not suitable for this class. Now we move on to number 9. Prabhas wears very dash clothes. Prabhas wears very attractive clothes. The picnic was dash. Enjoy. What will we add so that we get the correct adjective? We will add able. The picnic was very enjoyable. The picnic was the picnic was enjoyable. Now we move on to the answers. You can write the answers in your textbook. Our forefathers were very knowledgeable people. Please give me a comfortable chair. It is rather cloudy. It might rain. The river side is a peaceful place to relax. Our team decided to bat first. This seems like a foolish decision. You must be slow when you drive in rainy weather. Ruskin Bond is a famous writer. We cannot sit on these dirty seats. I liked reading your imaginable story. Do not touch the pictures with oily fingers. Write the answers in your textbook. Now we move on to the B exercise. The careful driver avoided an accident. Poets are creative people. This is the most peaceful town in the country. I suddenly feel feverish. The coach gave us some useful tips for the match. My shoes get dirty very soon, so I bought a pair of washable shoes. Bharat looked for his keys the whole day. He is very forgetful. That book is not suitable for this class. Prabhas wears very attractive clothes. The picnic was enjoyable. Students, you can copy the answers in your textbook. We finished with the A and B exercise. Now we move on to C exercise. Complete the short passage. Change the words given in the box into adjectives. Use the adjectives to fill in the blank spaces in the passage. Now the words are given in the box. We have to change these words to adjectives, to correct adjectives to form the proper sentence. We move with the passage. Bhishan lived in a small village near the mountain. He lived with his mother and little sister. They were poor. His mother worked very hard. The children were very dash. Now, which word will come here? What will be the correct adjective? The children were very lovable. The children were very lovable. They were a happy and dash family. They were a happy and helpful family. The answer here is they were a happy and enjoyable family. They were a happy and enjoyable family. Bhishan walked 5 miles up to the mountain to go to school. He used to sing as he would tread along the path. Tread along the path means as he used to climb, means go up. Walk means climbing up. The climb was tough on dash days. The climb was tough on what days? On windy days. He knew his teachers were helpful and he did not want to miss their knowledgeable lessons. A bright dash morning. A bright sunny morning or a wet rainy evening made no difference to Bhishan. So here are the words which we added to make the correct adjective forms and we completed the passage. Here is the answer. You can write it in your textbook. Bhishan lived in a small village near the mountain. He lived with his mother and little sister. They were poor. His mother worked very hard. The children were very loving. The children were very loving. They were a happy and enjoyable family. Bhishan walked 5 miles up to the mountain to go to school. He used to sing as he would tread along the path. The climb was tough on windy days. He knew his teachers were helpful and he did not want to miss their knowledgeable lessons. A bright sunny morning or a wet rainy evening made no difference to Bhishan. Students, there is mistake in one of the answers. So you refer this answer. The children were very lovable. The answer will be the children were very lovable. They were a happy and enjoyable family. Sorry for the inconvenience caused to you all. The correct answer is the children were very lovable. The correct adjective is lovable. So you correct the answer. The children were very lovable. They were a happy and enjoyable family. Bhishan walked 5 miles up the mountain to go to school. He used to sing as he would tread along the path. The climb was tough on windy days. He knew his teachers were helpful and he did not want to miss their knowledgeable lessons. A bright sunny morning or a wet rainy evening made no difference to Bishan. Students, copy these answers in your textbook. Now we move ahead with the summary, what we all learned in this lesson. In this chapter, we have learned that we can form adjectives from nouns by adding able, ish and ful. And we can form adjectives from verbs by adding able, ful. Students, here we finish with our lesson 5. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mail it on my mail ID. Thank you for listening to the lecture, students. Thank you so much.